Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you're looking for a flexible, versatile, two-in-one earbuds that are gonna be headsets at the same time, this company, the ClearCalls are just great. This ClearCall 70s, they're just great because they are in two-in-one option that you can use these headsets as your main commute for work, and you can use it for the gym, and at the same time you can use it for traveling and doing all these different things. So one thing I like about this is how long lasting the battery is, punchy bass, and the flexibility that you can use this on Bluetooth to your computer, you can use this on Bluetooth to your phone for using this. And the great thing is that I use them for working too. So I they have a detachable microphone that is noise isolation, that you can use it perfectly to work from home, and at the same time listen to some great music with this awesome sound quality that you could get from this one, it said. So this individual, great job, great, and I love it. So if you are looking for a great headset that are going to do two-in-one option, this is one awesome. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.